Alright, here we have it in a nice backpack, anti-theft backpack. This one is sold by Orota, and let me tell you, the build quality is pretty good. It feels strong. This one is dark blue. I already have my laptop in here. One of those old laptops. They call it a dinosaur laptop because they're so big. But let me show you how nice this one is. It's thick. Like, look at that. Look at that. All that space. It'll spread and open up. Other way, you got this back here. You got this pocket here, the laptop compartment, and you could close it. This one also has the USB port charger outside, but you need to have, of course, a power bank inside and attach it to it. That way you could put your phone here, and if you want to charge it, just plug it here to this USB. Pretty nice. I just like how wide it is on the inside. Let me close it and show you it has two pockets. That one and this one here. I felt something in here. Let me see. There's something in here. Oh, anti-theft. Nobody could steal your phone or whatever you have here. You could just attach it to this and leave it in there. Cool. So you got this pocket on the back. So if somebody wants to steal something, they need to open this first and then open the zipper. Look at this. You have all these here that you can put stuff in here. With so much technology. Pretty cool. And what I like is that it feels thick denim. Very well done. By Orota, O-R-O-T-A. And this one right now is at $32 on Amazon. So the adjustments here, nice, cool backpack, and strong. I like it. There you go. That's the name right there. Well, hope this was helpful. Please press the helpful button. That way I know someone watched this video. I will appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Pretty nice bag. It's just strong and a lot of space. Can you help my channel by subscribing? I would gladly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.